see what you're on there? There you go. You're gonna have to get a bump over that one on the back tire. There you go. Bump it from right there. Going. There you go. There you go. Nope. Slightly passenger, just a little bit, and then right up here. There you go. There you go. So right after you get up that, turn over passenger right into this. There you go, it bumps you right on the line. Go drivers a little bit as you come up that. Go. Might take another bump.
Yeah. Got no lockers. I got no lockers.
That fucking. That does. There you go. You got it. Easy. There you go. Go. On it. Just rock back a tiny bit. Take it right there. Now bump it forward. And then go. Now you're going to fall out of it. Go ahead and you're going to slide down. Exactly. Come on. Right there is going to bump you right up onto this. Besides that side. Let me get you a booster over here. See if that helps. Love those booster rocks.
I think he's got both lockers. Yeah, and it's got a transfer lock.
You're on the line, you're perfect. There you go. Come passenger tiny. There you go.
There you go.
There you go. Right up onto that fucker. Oh, back up. Back up passenger a little bit.
Keep going.
Yeah. You're gonna want to get your front tire to come up on this sucker. And you kind of bump the rock.
Yeah, yours is pretty good.
If you get this tire
Creep right up.
on that line now. Pop, there's a rock that's gonna pop you up on the big one. You need to get a little more of that, Lee. But go back up and I'll move that booster right in your line for you. Alright, so go passenger as you do it, and then you'll feel yourself hit that big rock, and that's when you'll start going back driver. There you go. Keep sliding off that way. I think if you get your passenger tire more into this, it'll hold you in. There you go. There you go. And now go back driver. There you go. Alright, go ahead. You're all good. Back up a tiny bit here, it's up a bump. It's just on the transfer blade there.
Uh-oh.
Getting that back tire. I put your booster rock in there and back up a foot. Right there, hold on.
Nice, that's good. So I got your whole thing up.
Excellent.
I just kind of carried over into this guy's, but figure no harm in
Alright,
getting the
that should
Toyota
help.
too.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.